Why would I move with a 3% mortgage rates? Hi, I'm Carolyn Alaverdi. I'm from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate. Got a 3% mortgage rate? Yeah, that's hard to beat, right? But here's the question. If your life is changing, more kids, less space, retirement on the horizon, are you staying just for the rate? Because while you're holding on to that 3%, home prices keep going up. Experts say they'll rise through 2029. The 400K home today could cost you 480K in 5 years. And no, those 3% rates are not coming back. So here's a real question. Why would I move? It's when should I? Don't let your mortgage rate hold you back from your next chapter. Let's run the numbers so you can make the move and the right move at the right time. Carolyn Alaverdium from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.